Cars are amazing. They take us places, we go to work, we visit friends, cars give us freedom. But cars are complex, many parts work together. Understanding your car is important. It helps you keep it running smoothly. Knowing about your car saves you money. You can fix small problems, you can talk to mechanics with confidence, take some time to learn. It's like making a new friend. Your car will thank you. The engine is the heart of your car. It makes the power. It burns fuel like gasoline. This creates energy to move the car. Think of it like your heart pumping blood. The engine pumps power to the wheels. The engine has many parts. Pistons, cylinders, and spark plugs all work together. Don't worry about the details now, just know it's important. Keeping your engine healthy keeps your car running. The transmission sends power to the wheels. It's like the gearbox on a bicycle. It helps the engine work efficiently. The transmission has gears, different gears for different speeds. Automatic transmissions shift gears for you. Manual transmissions require you to shift. Knowing how to use your transmission is important. It prevents damage and improves fuel efficiency. Listen for any strange noises. Brakes are crucial for safety. They slow down and stop your car. Brakes use friction to stop the wheels from spinning. When you press the brake pedal, it activates hydraulic pressure. This pressure pushes brake pads against the rotors. This friction slows down the car. Brakes wear down over time. Regular maintenance is essential. Get your brakes checked regularly to stay safe. Section 5. The brain and nervous system. The electrical system. The electrical system is the brain of your car. It controls everything from starting the engine to powering the lights. The battery is the heart of your car's electrical system. The battery stores electricity. The alternator generates electricity while driving. The electrical system is complex, but you can understand the basics. Knowing how to jump-start a dead battery is helpful. Understanding fuses can help you troubleshoot electrical problems. Section 6. Keeping your car happy. Regular maintenance. Just like us, cars need regular checkups. Regular maintenance keeps your car running smoothly, and it prevents costly repairs. Change the oil regularly. Oil lubricates the engine and keeps it cool. Check tire pressure often. Proper tire pressure ensures a smooth ride and good fuel economy. Inspect your belts and hoses. They are crucial for engine cooling and other functions. Regular maintenance is an investment in your car's health. Section 7. Troubleshooting 101. Common car problems. Cars can have problems, but don't panic. Understanding common issues helps you solve them. Is your car overheating? Check the coolant level. Is a light on the dashboard? Look it up in your owner's manual. Strange noises can indicate problems. A clicking sound might mean low tire pressure. A grinding noise could be brake problems. Section 8. Simple fixes for the everyday driver. You can do simple car repairs yourself. It's easier than you think. Start with the basics. Learn how to change a flat tire. It's a valuable skill. Know how to jumpstart a car with a dead battery. Familiarize yourself with your car's owner's manual. It's a treasure trove of information. Small fixes can save you time and money. Section 9. The empowering world of auto mechanics. Learning about car mechanics is empowering. It gives you confidence. You're in control of your car. Start small. Learn something new every day. Join a car club or online forum. Share your experiences with others. The world of cars is fascinating. Embrace it. You'll be amazed by what you can learn and do.